Picture this. It's a Monday morning, the alarm's blaring, and you're bracing yourself for another week. It seems dreadful, doesn't? But let's pivot this view. Life isn't all doom and gloom. It's a thrilling ride with highs, lows, and sudden turns. Revel in it, even in its rough patches. Remember, life is filled with joyous moments, from a spellbinding sports victory to the delight of a good brew. Also, you're not alone in your struggles. We all have those days. Life may be tough at times, but it's also quite incredible. Now go out there and make the most of it.